After a sell-off in the first half of the day on PLTR stock Palantir Technologies Inc., it found support and continues to be driven by inflows, but we do have outflow levels that continue to be huge resistance levels and are going to be crucial here for any push for the next leg up to set up and skyrocket, right, and explode to the upside. Now, in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 40% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision and receive that edge and clarity over the charts and the markets, and get connected over to our 42 vision indicators, our AI bots, and also learn our strategies. I will teach you our strategies and what it is I look for using 42 vision. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us. So PLTR stock is sitting here with a strong support and pushing upwards to retest towards 139 and 140 area. And in today's video, we're going to break it all down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision, our 42 vision bots, and also our inflow versus outflow. Again, that link is down below in the description to receive the edge and clarity that you deserve. So the home run today was from our Netflix spot. Our Netflix spot at 8:45 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 70% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us and join the community, and let's jump into these charts. Here we are with PLTR stock Palantir Technologies Inc. doing a full transition here from the dip area to the rip area on 42 vision, from white with red borders to bright green bars. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with PLTR stock Palantir Technologies Inc. going ahead and continuing to hold support with inflows, guys. Inflows is when bulls are dominating, and you have the inflows here when they're blue and they're larger than the red, and the shading is blue, inflows are dominating. And when we see red, that is outflows dominating and the bears appearing. You could see the impact that it has over the chart every single time those outflows have came up. Now these inflows have pushed us back up, and we broke through this outflow level here of 136, and interesting enough, we found support there again, right? And then we got a new inflow level at that level. We broke out from it yesterday, we stayed below this level here, and now we broke out from here, and now we're trying to retest towards the 140 area. And I was breaking down last week on Thursday how it was important for us to break out towards 137, 136, and 139. And we're up here right now, and I'm going to show you guys here the whole breakdown. There's an inflow level here in the after hours, and if we put the 15-minute, we could see here how we're pushing away from this inflow level that was used as support, the 130 area, and it's trying to retest and retrace towards 136. If that can get broken through, the next resistance up here is 138 to 138.80, and then 139.50 to 140.50. These are key levels to the upside as well in the bigger picture. Now I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, and we're going to see how this is actually unraveling and why the larger time frames matter. So as you saw there, if you want to go ahead and rewind back, it was the 15-minute chart 139 to 140.50 was crucial, and then we're seeing here on the 5-minute a crucial outflow level there that we're sitting slightly below, and we've broken through the lower outflow levels on the 15-minute. If I go ahead and put the 15-minute, we could see how they're no longer there, and it was up here near 136 and the 138 levels, and now we've tested up here the 139.50 area to the 140.50 area that we need to break out of to go ahead and break out from this outflow level. Now, inflows came in again today, and now we're in this tight range that is crucial, right? We want to hold the support of 137 to 135, and to the upside, we want to break through 140 and continue to retest higher resistance levels and outflow levels based off the charts. And we're trying to retest and retrace. Once we get back above 140.50, we could possibly try to retrace and retest towards even 145 and 146. And in the lower time frames on the 5-minute, we could see it up here. 146 is crucial once we break above this outflow level, historical outflow level from way up here back on Friday, June 27th. Now we're going to look at the bull and bear indicators, how crucial it is for the larger time frames to go ahead and align to justify any further move to the upside. So when we zoom out on the 1 hour, we have a bull indicator, and then also on the 2 hour, we got a confirmation yesterday to today, and this is why this slight pullback here that we see on the 2 hour and the 1 hour, it was not justifiable because no bear indicator popped up, and that's why we're continuing this trend and strength. And I'm going to break all that down in this part here, where you're going to see why multiple larger time frames, bull indicators and bear indicators matter more than the volatility in the shorter time frames, because the larger time frames continue to hold up the strength of trend. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment, and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.